Welcome, in front of me is a Motorola Edge 50 Pro, and today I will show you how you can boot this device into boot mode. So to get started, you want to hold your power button and select power off from the list. When the device turns off, hold your power button and volume down at the same time. And there we go. Now in this mode, you need to use volume buttons to navigate through the options that will be displayed one by one right here. So first one is start, which takes us back to Android. Then we have a restart bootloader, which takes us back here. Recovery mode, obviously takes us to the recovery mode. Power off, bootloader logs, barcodes, and then we're back to start. So anyway, I'm gonna confirm that with the power button. And there we go. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.